Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be spring cleaning. I'm going to be cleaning and reorganizing my whole makeup area. If you're interested, just keep watching. But first, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Also, make sure your post notifications are turned on, and let's start the video. You guys can probably tell I have been putting off cleaning my vanity area for quite some time, but today finally is the day I'm going to be cleaning it. Right away, I do have quite a few things that I do not use anymore, so I am going to be getting rid of. I possibly could be putting these in a giveaway in the future, so stay tuned for that. Okay, the first thing I'm going to be reorganizing is my nail stuff. I did just do my nails, so I kind of have all my nail stuff dug out right now. So I'm just going to be putting that all back and reorganizing it. I do have a bad habit about not putting an eyeshadow palette away once I've used it, so I'm going to be just putting some palettes away that I have used recently. As you guys can see in the background, I do have a daughter, and sometimes I end up with some makeup brushes and random things in drawers that I did not put it in. So I'm going to be just reorganizing all my drawers and putting everything where it belongs. Okay guys, this is my foundation and primer drawer. It is not too messy, so I'm just going to be reorganizing it a little bit, and I am going to be getting rid of some foundations that are just too old and I've had for a while that aren't even my right skin tone right now. So I'm just going to be getting rid of those and freshening up this drawer. I do tend to kind of just lay my brushes all over my vanity tabletop when I'm finished with a look, so I'm just going to be going in and picking up all of my brushes and putting them back in my brush holders. I also have eyelashes laying everywhere, so I'm just going to be picking up my eyelashes and putting them back in their containers, and I'm going to be organizing them in my top drawer that I have for my eyelashes. Now I do have a couple things from the Dollar Tree that I bought, and I got some cookie sheets. You're probably wondering why I have cookie sheets, but I have a cool DIY trick that I'm going to be showing you guys with these cookie sheets. Okay guys, I am going to be taking some wire cutters and I'm going to be cutting the corner wires only, and I am going to be folding those wires down. This is going to be holding up the whole cookie sheet so that the cookie sheet is not laying flat on the drawer. Now the cookie sheet has turned into a palette organizer. Now I'm just going to be organizing all of my palettes in this organizer. Now all my palettes can be organized and I can easily find any palette that I need instead of all of the palettes just being thrown in a drawer and I have to dig. Okay guys, I am going to be going in and vacuuming all of my drawers. Sometimes the drawers can get pretty messy with makeup powders and stuff, so I'm just going to be cleaning every drawer. Now I'm just going to be cleaning my tabletop and my mirror. Okay guys, here is my makeup vanity after spring cleaning and reorganizing. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. I'll see you guys in my next video.